Right now, our Economy Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of -0.70, which is a significant dip compared to the historical baseline. This negative sentiment, combined with a momentum of +0.24, suggests that while there's a slight positive shift in engagement, the overall perception remains deeply pessimistic. You'll also notice that we've identified 16 distinct semantic clusters, highlighting the nuanced conversations around the economy. This complexity can help you pinpoint specific areas to address in your strategies. Imagine leveraging this data to optimize your risk management models or adjust your investment strategies in real time. Ready to dive in? Check out the detailed documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.